everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. It's me again. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you, okay? And you know what? You're already part of the Grateful Gang. And if you want to be a part of the Grateful Gang, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, because out here in these streets, we appreciate you. Okay, today's video is another house showing. Are y'all tired of these house showings or what? Okay, I had to take a week off. You'll see in a video I was going to take 6 months off, but no, I'm not doing it. I took a week off, and in perfect timing, so I get, ooh, sunshine is coming, yes. So I took a week off, and so I'm getting these uploaded, and I have to switch my phone, so I have to get all these videos off my phone. This is why you're seeing me in the same outfit multiple times. But this house, you guys, this is the house when I realized that I needed a garage. Because if you look at this house, y'all, it to me was a little bit expensive as well for a townhome, but it was $160,000 for a townhome. But when you think about all the upgrades that they did, you could see why. And there were a lot of children in the neighborhood as I sat and waited. And what I mean, these were loud, running in the street. You're gonna get hit by a car, children. You know, but either way, it was like you didn't hear them when you went into the house. So this townhome was gorgeous. Like, to me, this would have been the perfect size, perfect space. Like, I liked it. I really liked it. And be like, well, Tara, why didn't you buy it? Because it did not have a garage. And then, because I was like, why did I not buy that? Why did I not want to why am I so iffy about this one? What is your problem? This one is nice. And it was really close to work, really close to home, like good location, nice to, I was like, that's when I realized we're not seeing anything else that does not have a garage, because you need a garage, clearly. Anyway, let me let y'all see the house. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, because y'all know I love to talk to you. Enjoy the video. Okay, hardwood floors. Love them. Okay, bay windows. Love them. Let's do it. And weird bump out alcove, but nice fireplace. Hey, what's up, Amanda? Okay. Upgraded those things. Water heater is about 15 years old. Check that. Here is a closet, which I personally might turn into a pantry, because I need a closet less than a pantry. A pantry more than a closet. It's a really good size. Hi, y'all. Half bath. This is a good size. Oh, I gotta buy the washer and dryer. Child, but that can wait. This kitchen is beautiful. There's a little seam there, but it's not a, you know. This is the Eden dining area. Kitchen has a fridge, which is nice. Brand new dishwasher. Under sinks are looking good. I've learned to start looking at this type of thing, y'all. I would definitely want to paint these white, change the hardware, but a nice microwave. Y'all know I can't seem to get rid of the electric. Decent counter space. Looks like they just painted, so all the cabinet stuff is off. But this is the backyard. It is an end unit, which I love. It backs up to that, so that's nice too. The fixture is really pretty, actually, y'all. This is nice. Okay, let me get upstairs. Hardwoods go up the steps, which is nice. Then it transitions into carpet. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I hate stairs. But upgraded system up here as well. Nice fans and stuff, and it's a smaller room. The other room matches, but it's just extra. Decent sized closet. This room is like a twin room, right next door. Window, Decent sized closet. Nice floors in here too. This is the shared bathroom. Master. Very bright, which I like. Loving this closet. Bedroom. Definitely bigger, which is nice. And bathroom. Okay. Doable. Really like it, you guys. Really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Let me know your comments on that house. If you liked the video and you have not subscribed yet, why not? Okay, why not? Hit that red button, make it gray, honey. Make it gray for you, girl. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Don't forget, it's faith over fear, y'all, but not just this year, y'all. It's what? Forever, forever, ever. All right, guys. Bye.